Sure, here are a few interesting facts about love. 1. Love's chemicals. When you're in love, your brain releases chemicals like dopamine, oxytocin, and serotonin, which contribute to the feeling of happiness and attachment. 2. Heartbeat syncing. Research suggests that when two people are in love or feel a strong emotional connection, their heartbeats can synchronize when they're physically close. 3. Butterflies in the stomach. The butterflies in the stomach feeling is caused by the body's fight or flight response triggered by the release of stress hormones in the presence of someone you're attracted to. 4. Long-lasting love. Studies have found that long-lasting couples often develop shared habits and routines, which can help strengthen their bond and sense of connection over time. 5. Love and health. Being in a loving relationship can have positive effects on your health, such as reducing stress, boosting immunity, and even promoting longevity. 6. Love across cultures. Expressions of love and what is considered romantic can vary widely across different cultures, showcasing the diverse ways humans perceive and experience love. 7. Brain in love. Brain scans of people in love show increased activity in regions associated with reward, motivation, and emotion, suggesting that love has a strong neurological basis. 8. Love languages. The concept of love languages highlights that people have different ways of expressing and receiving love, which include words of affirmation, acts of service, receiving gifts, quality time, and physical touch. 9. Love evolution. Anthropologists believe that love evolved as a survival mechanism, helping humans form strong bonds to care for their offspring and ensure their survival. 10. Love's impact. Love has been a central theme in literature, art, music, and culture throughout history, shaping the way people view relationships and connections. Remember, love is a complex and beautiful emotion that can take many forms, and its significance varies from person to person.